late at night. Yeah, I'm cuffed up with my baby girl.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications for your girl. So today is Sunday as I'm filming this video, and it is Halloween week, y'all. It is Halloween week. Halloween is on Saturday, I think it is this year. So I'm gonna do another Halloween makeup look. Last year I did this and I turned myself into a vampire. This year I wanted to do something different, so I'm gonna turn myself in. I'm gonna attempt. I do not do makeup. Disclaimer, I'm not a guru. I don't know nothing about makeup. I just can, I don't know what I do. I just do what I do, okay? So we're gonna try to do, I wanna make myself into a mermaid, and I was looking on Pinterest. We did the same exact thing last year. I was looking on Pinterest for some makeup looks for a mermaid, and I was thinking about this one. I don't know, that kind of looks like a lot though, but just like to give me an idea, I was thinking about this one. Let me screenshot this. This one. Just like a start, just give me an idea, or this one, which I don't know. I think I might go with something like this one. So that we're gonna try it. So we're gonna try. I don't know what to do, and I haven't watched any other like YouTube tutorials or nothing. I'm just literally picking this from Pinterest, and then we're just gonna try to do it. So I have my iPad here. I have the picture pulled up on my iPad. So I think I'm going to start with my brows. And I'm not really gonna explain too much of what I'm doing because, again, I don't know what I'm doing. Just doing what I do. I don't know, so I can't really explain to y'all how to do this makeup look because I'm just wearing it. Okay, so I have some brows on, nice and thick, just because it's Halloween. I want to kind of make it a little bit more exaggerated. So nice thick eyebrows. I'll probably do something different to them when the look comes together. It's gonna look different. So, okay, so I'm trying to look and see how we're going to do this. Okay, so I don't know what to start with first. I don't know what to start with first on this look. So we just did the eyebrows, so let's do, I guess we're gonna start with the eyes. We'll do the eyes, so they get this kind of colors. I have a few palettes here. I have a Morphe palette, I have a Profusion palette, and I have a Wet n Wild palette, the Bretman Rock palette. So I think we might be using the Profusion palette. This is it right here. This is the Mirage. I've used this a couple times in a few other videos. But yeah, here is the palette. And there's a lot of good colors in here, so we're gonna try to do, she's got some teal, some blue. Oh, so I don't have blue in this palette, so I'm gonna use the Rock because it actually has a really good like metallic blue right there, and I think that's gonna be perfect for what we are trying to look like. So let's try it. Y'all, I'm trying so hard not to mess this up. I really want this to turn out good. I'm trying so hard not to mess this up. So yeah, I'm gonna use the Bretman Rock Wet n Wild Jungle palette, and I'm gonna use this color, and I'm going to actually use this top color here. So this is a little bit of like a seafoam. This is Anaconda Deeper. This is just the cover that comes in like the clear protective covering. I always think this is really good to like shield yourself when you're trying to do angled looks. I think is that what it's supposed to be? I don't know if this is what it's supposed to be for, but this is what I always use these things for, because it just makes the perfect like sharp angle. And it is water, apple cider vinegar, turmeric, lemon, organic raw honey, and mint. And you know, it's actually not bad. I think the taste of the mint and the honey kind of cancel out the taste of the apple cider vinegar, so it's actually very doable. It's growing on me. It's gonna use this color right here. It's like a purpley, like a sparkly purpley color, and I just want to put that up here. Kind of just dust it on.
Put her in the headlock with my elbow.
Ooh, it kind of looks wet. So here's where the fun part comes in, because now we're gonna make some scales. And I have a little piece of I had some fishnet leggings, and I just cut a little piece up so I can use it as a stencil to make scales. So let me see what color we're gonna use. I'm thinking we should use a little bit of both of the blue in this palette and the green, since those are the colors that are on my eyes, and we'll use a little bit of like purpley too, kind of. We'll see what to do.
I told him send me a stack if he really. I don't be trusting these chicks, they tricky. Send him a pic of somebody else's titties. I'm a finesse and I'm a fly dresser.
What are we thinking so far? What are we thinking so far? Okay, so I'm gonna use a different color. So I'm gonna use this pink right here. This pink.
Don't bring your dad to the mall, cause when he be in there, she know he be trying.
Okay, oh my gosh, I'm excited. I think it's like turning out really well. Can you see my scales? Does it look like I have scales? So let's go in with a little bit of green. So I'm gonna use this sparkly green. It's called Big Peacock Energy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Ooh, okay. Oh my gosh, I'm a guru. So this is what we're looking like so far. I don't know if it's picking up right on camera, but it actually looks like it looks dope, like in person. Like it's kind of sparkly. It's like, I don't know if you can tell. Let's get a little bit more in that hairline, but it's turning out really well. It's turning out pretty good, you guys. Okay. Should I do it all on one side, or should I do a little bit over here? I think over here is probably good. So now I'm taking some, I'm in a Provision palette again, and I'm going to take some gold glittery and just put some glittery. Put a little glittery here. Glittery there. Okay, so I kind of want to contour my nose, but I don't know if I should contour it with a color. Let's try. I hope I don't mess up my face if I do it like this. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Anaconda. And I'm gonna actually do this.
I'm on your ass, bitch. I'm in that new shit. You on that last year? Bitch, I do pimp shit. Oh, you on simp shit?
I got this costume for this video, but it's so large. It's too big for me. But I didn't know it was gonna be this big. I just bought it for the video, but under the sea, under the sea. This is my final mermaid look. I think I did a pretty good job. I think I actually did a pretty damn good job for my makeup level. I don't know what this costume is. This costume was on sale at Walmart. It was $12. And I didn't even look to see what size it was. I was like, I can make it work. But here we are. Thumbs up if you like it. Thumbs up this video, y'all, because this turned out good. If you knew, I do not have makeup skills. Like, this turned out better than I thought it was going to turn out. So I feel like y'all should thumb this video up. But I love you guys. Thank you so much. And let me know in the comments what you're going to be for Halloween. Or if you're dressing up for Halloween. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.